Hi everyone, get ready for our simple 10-minute beginner abs workout. We'll be alternating between 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. Let's start with some ab crunches. Keep your lower back pressed firmly into the mat. Imagine there's a tennis ball under your chin. Don't pull on your neck. Focus on the contraction at the top and exhale every time you lift. Keep it steady.
Let's go, go, go! Break time! Get ready!
Time for flutter kicks to wake up those legs. Small, quick movements with the feet. Keep your hands under your glutes for support if you need it.
You got it!
And keep your legs low for a deeper burn, but make sure your lower back stays glued to the floor. Don't stop now.
Break time! Get ready!
Reach for those heels in these heel touches, side to side like a pendulum. Lift your shoulders just enough to feel that side crunch. Keep that neck relaxed. Imagine you're trying to touch the wall past your heels. Feel that pinch in the obliques? That's the goal.
You're on a roll! Break time! Get ready!
Focus on the lower core during these leg raises. Slowly lower your legs down and then pull them back up using only your abs. Control is everything.
Keep this going!
Don't let gravity do the work. Resist the weight of your legs on the way down. You've got this, just a few more.
Break time! Get ready!
Now into knee crunches. Bring your knees in toward your chest as you crunch up. Squeeze at the top of the movement. Try to bring your elbows to your knees without pulling your head. Quality over quantity every single time.
You're doing great! Break time! ready.
Switching the motion for scissor kicks. Cross your legs over and under. Keep your core tight and your movements sharp.
Make it happen.
Keep those legs straight. If you need a break, lift them a bit higher, but keep those scissors moving.
Break time. Get ready.
Now let's flip it over for the plank hip twist. Hold a solid plank and rotate your hips side to side. Stability is key here. Don't let your hips sag. Keep your spine neutral and stay strong through your shoulders. This is where we build that real stability.
You've got this. Break time. Get ready.
Let's focus on precision with single leg lowers. Lower one leg at a time while keeping the other perfectly steady. Feel that deep burn.
Dominating.
Make sure your hips aren't rocking side to side. Keep your core braced like a shield. Almost there.
Break time. Get ready.
For seated bicycle kicks, keep those arms back for support and drive your knees toward your chest. Extend those legs fully. Don't let them touch the floor. Keep your spine long and push those legs out like you're pedaling through water. Feel that core engagement. Don't let your shoulders slouch. Stay strong. Almost there. Don't drop those feet.
You're kicking. Break time. Get ready.
And finally, we have our big finisher, jackknives. Reach for those toes and fold like a book. Explode up, then control the way down.
Finish it.
All right, everyone, almost there. And 3, 2, 1, done. All right, good job, everyone. You did it. Now, if this was not challenging enough, you can do a few more rounds of this. and I'll be looking forward to seeing you soon in the next exercise session. Bye bye.